In this video, we're going to learn how to multiply rational expressions. And when you're multiplying fractions, you just multiply across. Now, since we're dealing with variables, before we do anything, we're going to simplify whatever we can. So, for instance, I can simplify 4 over 12, and it becomes 1 over 3. I can cancel this y with this y because y over y is 1. I can cancel x squared with x to the 4th, and I'm going to end up with x squared. And then let's see what I have left. It's going to be 7 over 5 times 3x squared. That's what I have left, which is 7 times 15x squared. And I cannot have x cannot be 0 and y cannot be 0 because it will make it undefined. Let's try another one, and I'll use different colors when I'm canceling this out because I have a feeling that some of you got confused with this. Let's try 2x to the 4th over 10y to the 2nd times 5y to the 3rd over 4x to the 3rd. So again, before I multiply anything, I want to see if there is anything I can cancel. So I can cancel, or I can simplify 5 over 10. It becomes 1 over 2. I can simplify 2 over 4. It becomes 1 over 2. I can simplify x to the 4 over x to the 3. I will end up with x on the numerator. And I can simplify this with this. I will end up with y. Remember when we did our little book of exponents? This is when it comes in handy. You can use it now, so in case you don't remember what the rules are. So now I have, I don't need to write the ones. So it's going to be x, y, over 2 times 2, 4. And x is not 0, and y is not 0. Because those are the values that will make the expressions undefined. Let's try another one. We're going to try 8y minus 4 over 10y minus 5 times 5y minus 15 over 3y minus 9. So what do? Well, we're going to factor because if you notice, nothing can be cancelled out. I cannot simplify this negative 15 with this negative 5 because they are not factors. So I can only simplify factors. So I'm going to start by factoring this. So 8y minus 4, the common factor is 4. And then I will have 2y minus, no, not 2y. Actually, yes. 2y minus 1. And then over the common factor amongst these two is 5. So that's going to give me 2y minus 1 times the common factor amongst these two is 5. Y minus 3. The common factor among these two is 3. Y minus 3. So let's see, what can I cancel? Well, I can cancel the 2y minus 1 with the 2y minus 1, the y minus 3 with the y minus 3, this 5 with this 5, and what do I have left? Just the 4 over 3. So that's the answer, and x is not 3. Actually, it's not x. We're using y. Y is not 3 because it will make the denominator 0. And y is not 1 over 2. And that's it. Let's try another one. We're going to try 2x plus 12 over 3x minus 9 times 2x minus 6 over 3x plus 8. At this time, I recommend you pause the video, try to work on this on your own, and then unpause the video and see if you got it right. The common factor amongst these two is 2, so it's going to give me x plus 6 over the common factor amongst these two is 3, x minus 3. The common factor amongst these two is 2, x minus 3. The common factor amongst these two is nothing, so it's 3x plus 8. So we cancel an x minus 3 with the x minus 3, and that's it. There's really nothing else I can do. So what do I have left? 2 times 2, that is 4, times x plus 6 over 3 times 3x plus 8. And x cannot be 3 because if it was 3, it will make the denominator 0. And x is not negative 8 over 3. And I'm getting the negative 8 over 3 by solving for x on 3x plus 8. Let's try another one. X squared minus 4 over x squared minus 1 times x plus 1 over x squared plus 2x. So we're going to factor. This is a difference of squares. Again, pause the video, work on it, unpause it once you're done. So it's x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 1 over x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2. So then we can cancel x plus 2 with x plus 2, x plus 1 with x plus 1, and that's going to give us x minus 2 over x minus 1, and this times x. And x is not negative 1, x is not 1, x is not 0 because of this one right here, and x is not negative 2. We're going to try one more example. It is x squared minus 5x plus 6 over x squared minus 4 times x squared plus 3x plus 2 over x squared minus 2x minus 3. So we're going to factor them. We factor this as x minus 3, x minus 2. This is x plus 2, x plus 1 over x plus 2, x minus 2. And then on this one it's going to be x minus 3, x plus 1. And let's see what we can cancel. So we can cancel this one with this one, this one with this one, this one with this one, and this one with this one. Oh shoot, we cancel everything. So what does that mean? And I lost everything too. What does that mean? Well, it means that the answer is 1. Because everything, this divided by this is 1, this divided by this is 1, This divided by this is 1. So basically we're multiplying everything by 1. Therefore the answer is 1. But then, of course, we have restrictions. So x is not negative 2. X is not 2. X is not 3. And x is not negative 1. Again, I'm getting all these values from the denominator. I'm making each one of them equal to 0. And I'm solving for x. And that's it.